Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive north on Interstate 65 beginning at mile marker 139 in Butler County, Alabama. We enter Lowndes County, which had an estimated population of 9,726 as of 2019 and is part of the Montgomery, Alabama Metropolitan Statistical Area. Lowndes County is one of 3 U.S. counties named in honor of William Lowndes, a member of the U.S. Congress from South Carolina. We enter the town of Fort Deposit, accessed by exit 142. Since 1890, this has been the largest town in Lowndes County, with an estimated population of 1,169 as of 2018. This town is named after a fort that was built under the order of General Andrew Jackson. This was a supply fort that was built to serve the soldiers during the Creek Indian War. There is an annual arts and crafts fair called Calico Fort on the second weekend of April every year. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out, and hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. Here, I-65 takes on the name Ray Scott Highway. One stormy March day in 1967, Ray Scott's vision for a competitive fishing tournament forever changed the sport of fishing and created a new bass fishing industry, spawning numerous bass fishing heroes and providing the leadership to conserve fishing resources. In June of 1967, Ray Scott's first All-American Invitational Bass Tournament lured 106 anglers from 15 states. His idea of getting the good old boys interested in the bass fishing sport and making it a club birthed the Bass Anglers Sportsmen's Society, which succeeded beyond anyone's wildest imagination. Ray Scott is a resident of the nearby town of Pentlala, and this section of highway was dedicated to him in 2010. We're now in Montgomery County, which had an estimated population of 226,486 as of 2019. Montgomery County is the fourth most populous county in Alabama, and its county seat is Montgomery, the state capital. We conclude today's video here at exit 164 near the unincorporated community of Hope Hull. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.